My name is Tyce Diorio. Come see my work here at the University of Arizona, Fall for Dance, November 7th through the 17th. The piece I came up with is titled Hypsonic, with a K. First is the music. I choose the music first. To me, the music has to be transcendent. It's all these beautiful, rich pieces of music, jazz forward, from house jazz to this guitar, tango-y sounding jazz, to electronic jazz, to Brazilian jazz, to European jazz. There's all these rich flavors of jazz that the dancers can elevate their craft inside of and find the excellence, the attention to the detail. And the K on the end just is that kooky part of it. You know what I mean? It's a little bit kooky, especially in the final piece of Hypsonic. So they're exploring all these different textures within themselves in jazz. And that was my hope. It was this high quality experiment that I wanted to go on with these dancers. And great time here at University of Arizona School of Dance. It proves very fruitful. So I'm excited to see it, and I'm excited for you to see it too.